and welcome back. It's your boy Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'll be reacting to Luciano, Pavarotti, Nessun, Dorma. How I came across this man, I was scrolling through YouTube and I've realized that my YouTube friend, she goes by the name of Your Favorite Island Girl. She had done a reaction to him, and I'm telling you guys, it is a very excellent reaction. So I want to experience it for myself. So without further ado, let's see what Pavarotti is gonna deliver to me right now. Guys, I always stated this in my reactions. If you guys are new, well, you guys will know this. Whenever time I see a man representing a three-piece suit, I admire them so much. If you're going to work, church, your business location, or wherever you work, dressed in this format, I respect it. I always respect it. I just find it very stunning to see men in these type of clothes wear. Trust me, I really love it. That's just my intake on it, guys. I really love it.
Fredda stanza, guardi le stelle che tremano d'amore.
This is good. This is really good. Really, really good. Let's continue. Oh! How does he even do that, guys? I mean, like, he's just so perfect with it, guys. Bro, this is insanely beautiful, guys. What amazing voice this is. Oh my god. I'm astonished. I'm really astonished. I've done a lot of reactions to many people. Like people who can sing stupendously. But listening this man for the first time, guys, there are some incredibly talented people out there in the world. And I really want to hear more of his voice because this is so calm and relaxing. Something that I could dream on. This is what I call excellent singing, voice control. He's really, really great at this, guys. Really, really great. Let's continue.
Splenderà
way those musicians are doing it, it is just so lovely. I gotta say lovely. I can't find the right word to describe how those musicians are doing it, but it is really lovely. Lovely is not the right word to use to describe those musicians, but the one that is well, I think all of them are playing, let's see, a violin, and they are doing it so calmly. It's so nice. What the hell? Mighty Jesus. Guys, I'm so filled with joy right now to hear this, guys. Guys, those backup singers, they are absolutely incredible. Whoa! Whoa! And it all just blends in like that. I mean, like, the guy who is coaching Luciano, bro, he's the best. My guy, big up yourself. Love from Jamaica. Wow. Wow. This one was good. This one was good. I think I have no regrets listening this man. I gotta say, guys, please state what are your thoughts on this. Please comment the next song I should do a reaction to next for this man, Luciano. So I'll see you there. Peace.